Okay, we're live. Hey everyone, this is Vince Palco. This video is going out to you if you're on my list or you're a past client. I've had folks come to me and ask how we kind of manage our process. We seem to stay on top of things. We're pretty organized. We can get things going to many different clients in many different phases, and we're a fairly small firm. So I want to put this quick video together for you and give you a sense for how we manage all our projects. Excuse me. So I've got live mouse action here. This is me doing it with my hand, and pretty cool. So I'm going to walk you through our project management software, and at the end of this video you can see a link, or it'll probably be there now for you to go out and get your own copy and start testing it and working with it. But at a high level, this is kind of where our projects are. You can see how many projects we're juggling all at once on this page. Now I just got another couple new clients in, so I can come down here. Okay, so let's step back. When I first started AdTunes, I had one employee. But one of the great things about that was I got into a system. I got into a rhythm of every week just checking in with him, and sometimes multiple times during the week. And back then we just used we used Excel, and I'd put all the projects across the board, and we'd title them, and then we would copy and paste the projects as they finished up, or so on and so forth. And when it got time to, we're getting multiple employees and more clients, I just kind of outgrew that system. So I began researching different models and different programs that are out there, software, and tried Trello, I downloaded a bunch of them, never used them because they were so complex. And I wanted a system that was really, really simple to use, effective with my guys and gals, and something that kind of tied in with what we had known before, which was Excel. Why I like this software, it's Smartsheets. Basically, I can come in here, I can list off all our different milestones and things that we do during a client. I used to have this I used to expand it even more, and I had, okay, once they're done with production, we got a first round of change, a second round of change, and I listed all that off. Well, guess what? No one used any of those fields, so I've kind of boiled it down to this, and that's a beautiful thing. You can go in and just delete or add new rows pretty easily, similar to Excel. But what you can't do in Excel is expand and contract the row. So that's pretty amazing. Let me give you another quick feature, and you can dive into all these features once you get the program, you do the free trial and you get it up and running. But basically you can drag up and down these fields as well, which is really cool. And to expand and contract is a simple Command K. So if I'm selecting this line, let's see, I'm selecting this line, and I do a Command K. See how it automatically tucks it underneath that one? Pretty amazing. And you just hit save on your board, and it's saved to the cloud somewhere up there. So you don't have to worry about ever losing this file on your desktop or whatnot. But let's say I just landed new clients, which I have. I can come in here, hit select all those fields, copy it, the row, and then come up here to where we have our new projects, orders in, and basically just paste. For some reason that didn't work. Let me just do this real quickly. Come down here, select all the rows, Command copy, come up here, over here, Command Shift paste, bang. Write my new client name in here, and then I can say who else is on the project, any other notes, I can write all that in. I can collapse it. And then the amazing thing with this is we've got our milestones here again. So scheduling a kickoff call, storyboarding, and then this is production. And so once we're in the next phase. Once we've got the scheduled call, I can take this line, move it up to that scheduled kickoff call. Then I can also move it up to here more and more as that project advances up the management wall there, if you will. So it's really, really cool and really, really fun. You can color code things for priority. You can just create your whole little system there. And the amazing thing, the cool thing is, once I'm done with a project, since these are pretty big fields, the amazing thing is I can come in here and see how many hours each project took. And again, I wanted a system where I tried the other ones and I had all kinds of different fields in here and try to make it so complex, but guess what? Team didn't use it. And I could preach to them on and on and on, but I wanted something simple, something they could just go in, fill in really quickly, so I can see on my end what's happening. And so once this project is done, I can then come in here. We'll just get this new client. Let's say it's up to production, and it's now done. We've sent the final files. I can come here, move it to another sheet. It's taking a little long there. And put it into the finished clients board, which is over here. And so let me delete this out of here so it doesn't confuse anyone. And basically have a storehouse of all our past clients and things of that nature, which is really cool. I can go in and have all my prospects that I'm working with, talking with, going back and forth with there. And for everyone that's helped write, do audio, I can store those folks in there as well. And I can create my marketing campaigns and set up a very, very thorough and detailed campaign for all the different marketing things that we're doing. So I really wanted to just get this out there to you and let you start exploring with it, using it for your business. What kind of businesses can use this? Well, any kind of design, video production, any kind of business that's got 10 to 20 employees where people have to check in and log hours and things of that nature. Now, this isn't tied to any other CRM where it automatically updates total project hours and total time spent on each project. But again, for me, I can manually go in and update those hours and just see, how long it took us for that project and how profitable it was and all that good stuff. And it's a really cool software thing that I'm just beginning to explore. They've got all kinds of different templates to work from in here. Create new. Let me see if it'll show you the different. Let's browse templates. Blank sheet, project sheet. They got a bunch of different. I think it's just taking. Yeah, there it is. Taking forever to load. But you can go in here and really dive down into all the different areas you can target in your business, and it's really, really amazing. Again, we've just scratched the surface on our end. Beautiful thing is my team can go in and download this, pull up the project, enter their hours, and then they're out. So how I do it is 15 minutes before the end of the day, they have that time to do what we call update and organize. If they don't do it, I tell them, we're going to take that 15 minutes back from you, but they'll go in and update every day. And once they've updated, it takes them 5 minutes, they're free to leave. And so this is our way of organizing everything and staying on track. And if that's something that's of interest to you, click that link below and basically start using Smartsheets for you and your business. So that's it. Breathe. Okay, enjoy and start using it, and let me know your feedback. Let me know how you're using it, and maybe I can learn something from you on different topics and ways to implement it. All for now.